coaching thought for this windy day. So, what are some things that Oprah Winfrey and Michael Phelps have in common? Okay, they're both famous, they're both wealthy, all those things. But, fun fact, they also both had coaches, and maybe still do now. Even at their peak, they had coaches. So, when Michael Phelps was winning all those gold medals, he had a coach. Was the coach in the water, swimming for him, racing for him? No, but he was helping and assisting and giving feedback on the things that he noticed. Same thing for teachers. Teachers of all levels can certainly benefit from having a coach. They can have someone giving feedback, giving support, all of those things. So we are not in the classrooms teaching for them. Many of them, we can't do what they did. Michael Phelps' coach, he couldn't win all of those gold medals. If he could, he'd be in the water doing it. Can I teach AP Calculus right now? Goodness, no. No, nobody wants that. However, I can help coach teachers at any level because feedback is important. For students, feedback is important for teachers. Having somebody to brainstorm with and just to think through things with, what a gift that is. So, just a reminder for us that anyone can benefit from a coach. Even those at the top of their game, even those that are just getting started. And as a friend of mine, a coaching friend of mine said recently, they may all just need different levels of support. Whether somebody is riding the bench of a basketball team or they are the star player with the most points per game, they still have a coach. They just may get coached differently because they might have different needs. They've all got a coach and they all benefit from it.